Hey guys, William Murfitt here, and in today's video I am going to get this Mini here clean and crud free.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
I have used this Power Maxed Valetin Iron Off Fallout Remover. Now what you do is you spray it on, like so, and then any chemicals or metal that shouldn't be there turns purple. You can see. Now when you look at the side of the car, it's pretty much completely changed the colour of my car. So I'm going to get this outside, give it a hose down. Wow, that's... This phone I don't think is actually doing it justice. Look at that. So yeah, I'll get it back outside because it's drying pretty quick in here and I don't want to dry it. And yeah, we'll rinse it off and see how we get on. Look at that. Mucky. Inside, you'll hopefully see what it's actually doing to the car. Just quickly dry it off before, rinse off before it gets all gunky. Starting with the brush. Iron out stuff's been applied, washed off, and now the car's been dried as well. And it's looking so much better. I have got an alloy for there, so don't panic. The weld repair has been filled and dried thoroughly, and what I need to do is go another skim, sand it back, and then it needs to go to the body shop to be painted. I do need new door surrounds. The seals are knackered. I've just had to mop up a puddle in the car, and the boot surround as well, so that needs to be done before the IMM trip ideally, because if it rains I do not want the carpets getting wet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And in the next couple of videos we're going to be doing is the last stages of the MOT prep, and so yeah, that's it for today. The next video is going to be MOT, so let's get back in the garage. Okay, so that is going to be the end of this video. The iron out or the fallout remover has worked a phenomenal job. The car is clean. If you look here, you can see the reflection of the window, which you could never see before because of all that dust and grind and just crud. So the next stage is Wednesday lunchtime. My little Mini here is booked in for its MOT. It's a very nerve-wracking time, but the idea is get it booked in for the MOT now, and that gives me a week a week to rectify any faults that someone else may find. Building a car on your own is very, very good. but sometimes things get overlooked. But I've gone over all the nuts and bolts in the front suspension, the rear suspension. I've adjusted the rear brakes, I've adjusted the handbrake. In theory, suspension and brakes wise, unless there's an imbalance, I hopefully would hope that nothing would go wrong. It's had wheel bearings all round, it's had new wheel cylinders, it's had disc and pads on the front, suspension components are all new. It's just, yeah, it's basically a new car underneath. So I'm going to leave it there. I just want to say a huge shout out and a massive thank you to my mate Alex Toon. He's been talking me through this process for a few days, and now today is the day I actually pick my stuff up and get on with it. He is going to be coming out hopefully before IMM to give this car a full detail, and that's going to be a clay bar, a compound polish or a compound wax, and then an ultimate clean, I believe using the Maguire's products. He's going to bring his DA as well, so we can hopefully blitz it a little bit quicker. But yeah, I am over the moon. Looking really good. Onwards and upwards. If you have enjoyed this video, please click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any future content. That is it for me, and I will see you next time.